Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's freezing rain, so the driving condition is really bad. Look at the tree, the ice on the branch. It's really bad. It's really bad. We have to drive very carefully. No electricity. You can see the gas station is shut down. Most of the place is shut down. You can see the gas station is shut down because there is no electricity. The whole thing become a ghost city now. Look at the tree. Inshallah, I'll go some places to do some grocery. Inshallah, we'll see if it's open or not, and we'll try to buy some food on the way. Inshallah, it's really bad. Alhamdulillah, this road is always traffic is always on this road. That's why it's not that bad, but if I brake, I'm gonna slide. So that's the secret of winter driving. Drive in such a way that you don't need to brake. If you don't brake, alhamdulillah, like I have seen so many times, as soon as I brake, the car slide. Look at the tree. Like it's packed with ice. Many branches is gonna be falling off soon. Today is Saturday. Today is the grocery day for most of the people. That's why they are outside, but it's not easy. I just show you guys the gas station. No electricity, so it's shut down. Especially turning is very hard. Just freezing rain. It's not easy. It's really hard to drive. This is the downtown, so that's why it's better condition for the road. But the sub road, residential road, is really bad. Winter driving, you have to drive very slowly with lot of caution. Alhamdulillah, less traffic due to the storm, and this is really a crazy one. It's not the snow, it's the ice, freezing rain coming directly. So everything you can see, no traffic light here either. Because, can you guys see no traffic light? Because no electricity. So everybody need to stop. This gas station is open, but the other one, I show you guys, is closed. I'm not sure the store will be open or not, but I can try. Shoppers. Allahu Akbar. If it slide, will be in accident. Life is really hard. Yesterday was very hard to go for Jummah. That's what. Alhamdulillah, went for Fajr. not easy. Look at the snow pile. Still some people are coming. So inshallah. Situation is really bad. Look, people are breaking their ice. You can see that guy on the car breaking ice. Ice, baby. So you guys can see this is all ice. Okay, this is all ice. Look, the car is packed with ice. It's really bad situation. Everything down here is ice. So it's not easy. Anything can be happened anytime. Yeah. So no electricity in many places. It's a ghost city now. So you need to heat the car in advance for hours. Look, the ice. Okay, building ice. Everything. So people have to be very careful.
Good. Where she go? Good. It's for snow.
Yeah. So at least they are lucky, those who have electricity, but we don't have even the electricity. Look at the ice. Look. Falling down from the car. Everything is ice packed. You see this compact with ice. Everything ice. This guy will move. No matter how much salt you put, it's really bad situation. Service may be closed. I don't know. It's closed. Yeah, service is closed because they don't have the electricity. It's so sad. There is no electricity. It's a big department store. Super shop. Cannot even run. It's not easy. So many things here, pharmacy, alcohol store, grocery, everything, but seems like it's closed, no electricity. Yeah, it's closed. That guy even bothered to come outside to say close. Yeah, it's closed. You can see even the service is closed. Saturday, the biggest day of the week for grocery, is shut down. It's not easy. Only Shoppers Drug Mart here open. They have their own generator, I believe. It's not easy. May Allah forgive all of us I need to buy some food to eat, inshallah, because we won't be able to cook. So I need to go find a restaurant which is open, inshallah. Even the gas station is closed. It's not easy because when the ice packed on the trees, it's very easy to fall down. So please make dua for us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.